Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics, where we teach you basic tutorials on games. And on today's video I'm going to show you guys how you guys can earn levels in Fortnite. So firstly, when you're in the lobby, you can come over here and you can check your level and the XP you need for the next level. You can also see some sort of stars here. If you click on it and you can click on the battle pass rewards, you can see here that you can spend the battle stars to claim rewards. So if I have 10 stars right now, and if I click on this claim reward, it will cost me 3 stars and I will get this loading screen. So yeah, but to earn Fortnite levels, all you have to do is play the game. So there are more options. You can boost by getting more XP, and those are quests. So if you come over to quest, you can see there are weekly quests and ranked quests and all of that, match quests, all of that. So just by simply playing the game, you can earn XP and level up. Like right here, you can thank the bus driver and you will get 15k XP. Or you can also come up here and you can play Lego Fortnite, and you can build a crafting bench in survival mode, and you will directly gain 1 level, not XP, you will directly gain 1 level. So yeah, that's how you guys can earn levels in Fortnite. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also, please let us know on the comment section what video you guys want us to cover next, and we will simply do so. So thank you for watching and see you guys next time.